to be shot. It's a Seguya. If you're not President Museveni, let me see where you are. Kakuta, yeah! Kakuta, come on, what are you doing? Oh, I'm a tag. I'm only when I'm a tag. What do you want to know? Everybody say, hey, one more. Are you there? If you know that you love Eddy Kenzo, hands up. If you know you love Eddy Kenzo, do hands up. Are you there? Yeah. Now, I have a friend of mine. When I knew that I'm coming to Acholi, I came with a friend of mine, and he's from South Sudan. He's a big artist with big hits. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you the one and only. Are you happy to sing and flow? He came to support President Museveni Agya from Sudan. Let's go. Show me, I'm gonna follow you. This is Uganda here. Show me, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna Kabuta. Museveni. Kabuta. Kabuta. Museveni. Any other? If you are happy to see Eddy Kenzo and Jen Frog on stage here, let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Let me see your hands up. Are you ready? Can we celebrate our great leaders here on stage? Anyone? Okay. What I'm going to do, anyone with the t-shirt of Eddy Kenzo, come here behind, I give you money. Walk slowly, come behind. Anyone with Eddy Kenzo shirt, you come slowly. But before that, can we celebrate the man who has brought peace in Uganda? The hero, the peacemaker, the friend of everybody. Labayo Kyakoze Museveni. If you love Eddy Kenzo Akuba, let me see your t-shirt. Let me see the t-shirt. Let me see yellow. Let me see yellow. Let's see yellow. Let me see. That's not enough. If you know that you love President Museveni and any other government and Eddy Kenzo, John Frog, let me see you. Get your t-shirt. Get a t-shirt. Get your cake. Get it. Whoa. God bless you, yeah? What for you,